Hello, everyone. It's the 29th of Jan. The market is just open, and we are currently looking at ES. So let's go to the 1 minute and let's see what that looks like. All right, not the best of opens. All right, so as usual, what we're going to do first is we're going to let the market give us a direction. Okay, so we need the first 30 to 40 minutes to determine direction. Well, 40 minutes, 45 minutes, that's best, I guess, the most optimal time. So what we'll do is we'll go away and then come back in 30 to 40 minutes. For now, we just watch what the market is doing. Nothing major so far. I haven't done any pre-market checks yet, but I just want to mention one thing. I am, let me just put it to the 5 minutes, which is operational time frame. I've just squeezed up the chart. All right, okay. So I'm always, now, so this is not part of the fib model, which I now call the two-step model, by the way. So I'm now calling it a two-step model. So when I say fib model, I'm referring to the two-step model, and when I say two-step model, I'm referring to the fib model. So they're the same thing, same thing. All right, I'm watching this pink box high and low, right? Because what sometimes price does, as you can see, it will sweep that low and then attack that high, and also the pre-market high, pre-market low. So I'm watching that carefully, and that might play into the two-step trade. Okay, that's it for now. I'm on the 5 minutes. Nothing major, like I said, happening. We'll come back. I just put it back on the 30 minutes, make it easier. So we'll come back at 10:30, 10:40, depending on price, whatever price is doing. So we want, based on the model, we want direction. We can't do anything, touch anything, press anything until we have a clear direction. All right, I'll see you guys in a mo. All right, it's 10 o'clock. We have very clear direction, as you can see, but we haven't made a, a pivot low yet. So once we make that pivot low, we just let price do whatever it wants to do. We don't we don't worry about it. All I'm doing is highlighting the 5 minute fair value gaps as we go down. Um, I'm not going to do anything until it stops and tries to retrace. So until I have an actual low, I can't actually run my fib. So the next thing, hopefully you can't hear that alarm going off in the background. Those are my trade alerts. So the next thing that um, I want to do, but I need a low to be formed, is obviously highlight the fair value gaps and run the fib. And what I'm looking for is an overlap between the fib and the fair value gap, right? So that's what I'm looking for. So what we'll do is we just let price do what it needs to do. Once it establishes some kind of low, this is the 5 minute, by the way, 5 minutes. So this is the 5 minute drop. Once it establishes some kind of low, we will come back. There's nothing for us to do right now. Just let price do what price wants to do. Okay, we have well, we formed a swing low. Now we are breaking that swing low. So um, we've got to wait. I mean, that's the model, guys. We have to wait for that swing low to be formed. What do we have now? Let's just have a proper look. Okay. Yeah, we what's that? That's 946. Yeah, we just need to make a proper low. Then we'll come back. Okay, it's 10:15, so we're close. We're not close. We're basically around that 45 minutes. We still haven't formed a low yet. I'm hoping this will be it. But yeah, I'll come back to you once the candle closes. Okay, we have a low. So, right time. Let's draw the fib. You can draw it from here or from here. I'll start from here just to see what it looks like. All right, we got that as an overlap. Go with that as an overlap, and potentially that as an overlap. And if we draw it from here, what do we have? Yep, overlap, overlap, overlap. Okay, so at this point, all we do is we just watch price retrace, now preferably above the 50%, preferably. But if price is in a hurry, it may use the 30%. Just bear that in mind. So no tricks to this. It's just watch price on the lower time frame, and if I see support, I will take it. So that's all I'm doing now is just watching price on the lower time frame. All right. So once something looks interesting, I'll trigger my trade. Once I do that, I'm going to target 100% of this move. I'll use the this high to measure it just because it just gives me a low hanging fruit. All right. See you once we get some kind of support. If we don't get support, then obviously there's no trade. All right, guys, this one's just running. Not doing any retracements at all. So we're just gonna call this one a day, and yeah, no trade. Well, for the AM anyway. I'm not gonna trade during the PM. So for me, I'm done for today, and I will see you guys tomorrow.